Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I'm Trix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. We get together every Monday, Friday, and Saturday and unbox subscription boxes, share our love for all things Disney, review products, and to go through our shopping hauls. If any or all of that sounds like something you would like to see more of, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing a Bookishly subscription box. This classic crate box is themed after the George Orwell novel 1984. Bookishly Classic Crate is a bi-monthly book subscription box that is shipped from the UK. Prices do, of course, depend on where you are and what those conversion rates are as far as the price of shipping and the price of the box. All right, so let's jump in. I see a lot of eyes in the artwork. Let's jump in and see exactly what bookish type items and the illustrations for the 1984 crate look like. So this is the first thing I saw whenever I opened, and this seems to be the illustrated motif of the entire box because, like I said, there are a bunch of eyes. And here we always receive a graphic print of this size that you can definitely frame. I put them up around my apartment with a quote from the book. This says, "When you loved someone, you loved them. And when you had nothing else to give, you still gave him love." It was quite hard to read with the eyeballs. So I have read 1984 before, and I have to say, I find the book is a bit depressing. I do find the book is a bit depressing, but I did enjoy the book. 1984, by the way, is a piece of dystopian literature where pretty much like a big thing of this book is like Big Brother is always watching. There is someone always watching you at pretty much every point in the day. They have the mind police or the thought police. I will find like the correct terminology and put it here. It pretty much like rewrites history. And like the quintessential dystopian genre of things that happen definitely did happen in 1984. Dystopia is my absolute favorite genre of literature and film. Both. Love reading about dystopian societies, love reading things set in dystopian societies, love watching movies with dystopian societies. Didn't really like the taste of kind of living in one though. Just have to say that. So this box looks like it is extremely well themed. We have a bookmark with a quote, which is always included. Here we are, and it says, "He had moved from thoughts to words and now from words to action." Oh, motif continuing. The quote on here, "You will be hollow, we will squeeze you empty." And then Bookishly always includes a little author's fact sheet. So this, let me get the glare out, is George Orwell. His quote is, "The best books," he perceived, "are those that tell you what you already know." George Orwell was born in 1903, died in 1950. He was English. He has 30 plus pieces of work, and he is best known for 1984. They also do include fun facts about our authors. Orwell worked many jobs. He was a police officer, a teacher, dishwasher, hop picker, bookstore clerk, and World War II propagandist for the BBC, and a literary editor. He got involved in the Spanish Civil War as a war correspondent, but joined the Republican militia and survived being shot in the neck by a sniper. Okay, seems we have a few stickers, which I love. I will definitely put places. We have, of course, Big Brother is watching. War is peace. Freedom is slavery, ignorance is strength. Until they become conscious, they will never rebel. All right, I apparently opened the box upside down. That's okay, I was looking for this earlier. So they do include a little write-up for each box of the contents within this box, as well as feature some photos from previous month's subscription from subscribers. So in here, we have our themes of the book. We have power, warfare, loyalty, rebellion, and repression. We have a quote from the book. "The consequences of every act are included in the act itself." In every box, we do get a tea from Ginnier World of Teas that is themed directly to the box. The past two boxes, I have really enjoyed the tea. This is just a plain black tea. This is the 1984. I love a pun. And this is luxury black tea. And then it also has, that I assume goes with it together. This is a nice cup of tea from George Orwell. And this was published in the London Evening Standard on the 12th of January, 1946, and it has some preparations, but of course in the Orwellian fashion of his writing. We have two more items that I assume go together, and this is quite awesome. We have a pen and we have a journal. This is quite a hefty journal. It says, "Reality is inside the skull," and here we have the date of April 4th, 1984. So the front and the back of the journal And by the way, oh, the white balance is really off. By the way, it is just blank pages. In each box, they do also include a Penguin Classics, like a little mini Penguin Classics book. This is from Jean-Jacques Rousseau. This is the Body Politic. And now for our last two items, we have the actual book that has a redesigned slipcover for this box. So keeping in with the theming. Oh, cool. So this is so the copy that they sent us was 1984, as well as just selected essays from Orwell. Like I said, already read 1984, but I will read it again. Then we have the final product. I always like to save these for last in the unboxings. So they're wrapped and it's kind of like a little present. So Bookishly does have this Classic Crate subscription box, but they do also sell things on their website, and they sell a lot of these. And I go and I just kind of like look and like become like kind of like wistful thinking that I want all of them, just because I think it's such a cool concept and they're so well made. It is a framed block that you can definitely hang. I just put mine on the bookshelves. It has a page from the book, and then printed on the page is a quote from the book. So this quote from 1984 reads, "It was a bright, cold day in April, and the clocks were striking 13. So this is my third Bookishly Classic Crate subscription box that I've unboxed, and I've liked all of the boxes. This one has been beyond the best themed box, to me at least. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of the theming of this box. Unfortunately for you, if you're watching, the way that Bookishly does their subscription boxes is that they pre-sell their boxes before they send them out. So this was the March box. Yes, because it's every 2 months. So this was the March box. So this was already kind of sold out by the time they started shipping. Every so often they do put the boxes for sale, the like past Classic Crates for sale in their shop. So definitely if you like this or you know someone who would like this, keep an eye out for that. However, they are already selling their May box, and just a little spoiler, their May box is Wind in the Willow themed. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.